Hey guys, today I'm going to make a tortilla pizza. So let's get toasting. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in my toaster oven, so I'm going to use that. I put a flour tortilla in there, and I'm going to add some pizza sauce. This is Classico traditional pizza sauce. That looks pretty good. And then I've got some pizza blend cheese. This is mozzarella and cheddar. That looks pretty good. And then I've got some turkey pepperoni here. So we'll add some of that. That looks good. Now I'll get that into my toaster oven. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on that. It's been about 8 minutes, so let's take a look. I think that looks good. I could slice this up, but maybe I can just fold it in half and eat it kind of like a taco here. There we go. Hopefully it's not too hot. That's good. Turned out real good. Let's see what Annie thinks here. You want to try this, Annie? Look at that cheese. Ah. Well, it looks like it's Annie approved. There's another one to keep you guys out of the drive-thrus. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.